In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom frames in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any shape or image into a reusable frame with clean edges and a transparent background, ready for your next design. Start by opening Canva and creating an empty design at the size you plan to use. A blank canvas keeps things simple and helps you see your frame's edges clearly. Now, insert the elements or the image you want to convert into a frame. You can bring in a single shape, combine a few elements, or place an image with a strong silhouette. As you position what you'll convert, aim for simple, clear outlines and avoid ultra-thin lines, since bold shapes tend to produce cleaner frames. If you're using multiple elements, arrange them how you want the final frame to look and make sure everything is placed exactly where you want it. With your design set, go to the left sidebar and click Apps. In the search bar, type FrameMaker. This is the tool that will handle the conversion for you. Open FrameMaker, then look to the top of its panel and click Convert. When the options appear, choose Frame. This tells Canva you want an actual frame object, not a static image. Next, click Continue to confirm your choice, and then click Convert Design. Canva will process what's on your canvas and build a frame from it. Depending on the complexity of your shapes, this may take a moment. When it finishes, you should see a preview that reflects the outline you created. Before exporting, make sure to enable the transparent background option. This is important because a frame needs to sit on top of your designs without any unwanted solid color behind it. With transparency turned on, only the frame itself is preserved and everything else remains clear. This keeps your frame versatile for photos, textures, and other content you'll place inside later. Now, hit Export. Canva will package your new custom frame and get it ready to use. Give it a second to finalize, and that's it. You now have the frame. You've taken a custom shape or image, converted it with FrameMaker, and exported it with a transparent background for seamless layering. If you ever need to tweak the look, just return to your original design, adjust the elements, and run the same conversion again. Practice with different silhouettes and thicknesses to find the styles that work best across your projects.